Peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Welcome to the We Understand It Simply channel with Sama Ibrahim. Today, God willing, we will have our first video in the Advanced Excel series, where we will start studying Advanced Excel together. Of course, Advanced Excel and the things we will study within it will transport us to another world inside Excel. We will learn very important things, extremely powerful things that are indispensable in any company or job. I don't want to take too much of your time. Let's start by invoking the name of God and sending prayers on the Prophet. Peace be upon him, and let's begin. In the last video, we watched a video that was just 1 hour long and a single video that compiled everything in regular Excel and everything we need to know before diving into Advanced Excel. Now, the video link will appear before you. If you haven't watched it yet, please go back and watch it because it's extremely important before continuing with the videos so that you are aware of what I mentioned in the video. It's actually a small video of just 1 hour, explained in a simple and easy way. Please, everyone, let's all go watch it. Anyone who hasn't seen it should watch so that you can join me and understand well, and we all stand on the same point. We are standing on it so that, God willing, we can all reach the same level that God willing, plan for us all to reach after we finish. As for the Alright, before we enter the world of Advanced Excel and study some really great and very important things together that, God willing, will benefit all of you regardless of your specialization or background. God willing, all of you will benefit from this series, and it will be one of the very important series on the channel. But before we start this part, I would like to discuss with you a very important question, which is, Sama, why is Excel powerful for data? I mean, why does Excel remain a very powerful tool in the field of data analysis, even though other strong tools have appeared, also very important things like Power BI and many others. Why does Excel still reign supreme? Alright, let's talk a bit together. First, the widespread use of Excel. What does widespread use mean? It means almost all companies use Excel in their daily operations, meaning any final reports or financial things are done on Excel, sales analysis is done on Excel, anything is done on Excel. Excel is still used in very large and numerous companies. Almost all companies use Excel. You can go to any company and say you know how to handle Excel very well, and you won't be taken anywhere because Excel still reigns in this aspect. Second, ease of use. The Excel interface is generally simple, as you can see. It's inherently a simple interface or appearance. Anyone who doesn't know how to code or doesn't have a coding or programming background can deal with it very simply and easily. You can learn it regardless of your level. No, as long as you are now in Excel, I don't need you to know any programming language or another language. It's like when we come to explain or study something like CSS, it's not suitable to explain CSS to someone who doesn't have it. So that's a strong foundation. So when I come to tell you I'll explain Excel, I tell you that you know something. I mean, now I'm telling you, you need to know regular Excel, the normal operations, because we can't take you into things that will be a bit strong. And you don't even have the basics yet. Alright, so its interface is simple. So what does that mean for us? Anyone can handle it as long as they can deal with computers. Third, flexibility. What does flexibility mean, Sama? It means you can use it for anything related to your work. For example, if your work involves handling very large and massive data, is Excel suitable? No, it's a small company, Sama, and my reports are just simple daily reports. Is Excel suitable for us, meaning whether dealing with simple or massive data? Is Excel fine for us? So Sama, sorry, I want to analyze. I want a tool to use for analysis. Is Excel suitable? Of course. Okay, what about graphical reports? Does Excel work for that? Alright, I want to make. Or special finance reports or financial things. Is it suitable? Look, anything. You'll find Excel with us, right? No, I can do it for you. Excel is a flexible tool that can be used for more than one thing. Okay, what else, Sama? It makes Excel a strong tool with its strong integration with other tools like Power BI and Power Query, right? This makes Excel a comprehensive platform for data analysis and gives it great strength. Many people learn Excel, and it becomes important and in demand in large companies for you to know Excel, even if you know Power BI and other tools. Excel is a basic necessity. That's why when I came to make the series with you, it will be specifically about teaching data. I'm not claiming to be perfect, but as I told you, I will start, God willing, because Excel is an important tool, and in interviews for companies. No, I used to consider it a core requirement in any company, among other things. And of course, just Excel. Why they say Excel and they ask about Excel and are very interested in this aspect. Because we consider this the basic or the foundation that must be present with you for us to accept you in my company and start seeing what other things and other tools you have that will make you. From my perspective, you would be highly suitable for the position you're applying for. Okay, this is just a quick thing I wanted to tell you. So we know why Excel is an important tool, and so no one can say to me, no, Sama, Excel is not important. Let's not use it. Go to the Beaster offices and do data analysis. Guys, Excel is indispensable, and it is very, very, very important. Okay, what? The second thing. Are we going to use Sama? What? Excel? What? Which version? Of course, I mentioned it in the last video, and I want to emphasize it again in today's video, guys. We will be working on Office 2021, okay? As for Office 2016, guys, Office 2016 is a bit old, and you'll find there are things I'll be using with you in the upcoming videos, so you need to have them. So please, let's all be on the same page so that once you have a strong foundation, you can handle any other Excel on your own. Okay, Sama, how do we do it? Will it show up now? In front of you? Perhaps the video I made where I uploaded Office 2021 for you in a simple and easy way with all the tricks to make it work successfully without any errors or issues, and it's completely free. I don't need anything from you. So I hope we can go see the video in front of you on the screen. You can click on the link to watch it, install it on your device, and come back to continue with us in the Advanced Excel series. All right, great. Sama, what is it that you wanted to tell us separately? Today, God willing, it will be a quick and simple video just to confirm a few things before we dive deeper, okay? And start our journey. Look, guys, I want you to enter. I just want to show you something that will be very useful to you. Very much. And honestly, I will tell you in the first video, so if anyone wants to do it, you can. I mean, I'll leave it up to you. Meaning, first, we click here on File. Then we go down to More. And I start choosing Options. Okay, we chose it. Sama went over it with us last time, right? What I want to tell you today, do you see the Customize ribbon? I'm going to enter it. Do you see what this is, guys? These are the things that appear here on the ribbon in front of you, like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and all these things. For example, if I come here and remove this and then do this, okay? You will find that it disappeared from here. But we want to bring it back. We go here to File. More? Options. And Start. I enter here. Okay, San, going along with the idea that we already knew. It's really nice. I want to tell those who don't know that we can create something special for us. I mean, I can come here and create a new tab, name it New Tab, and right-click to rename it. Like, for example, Tools. These are tools I use, and I'll start adding them, okay? Okay, great, Sama. I'll start making more than one group here, like here, Home, under the same keyboard inside the phone, Apple phone, things related to the phone. I can make the first group, for example, I'll say, the group for anything related to fonts, filters, or anything, filters, sorting, or anything. Let's call it something like Math, for anything related to math or equations or calculations. And I'll start pressing OK. Okay, Sama, so what will this benefit us? I can come here, right? I choose all the things, meaning I'll need them to be present in this tab. Okay, what does this benefit us in? It speeds up your work a lot. For example, in my work. I know that in my work, I always need things related to sums, averages, and such calculations, so I make a tab like I told you, and I will create something called Math. Okay, I will start entering here and look for specific things that you can begin to add. Look at anything you might need, and you can make it here, anything you don't know. Depending on what you want. Also, if you want to add sum, put it, it won't hurt. If you also want to add the undo, and someone always mixes it up, put it, and start choosing from here all the things you want to put together with specific things. For example, I like to make the font italicized. I always make functions and put them here. Sama, always make filters and things related to the filter. So I will start doing all the things I want here. And of course, you can come here and say you want a new group and make a new group. You put new things in it. Guys, this isn't a small thing. This is really important and will honestly make your work so much easier. Maybe not right now, but after you've learned Excel, you'll really see the difference. Why you? I said now, because now if someone is training with me or watching with me in certain things, and for example, someone always makes changes in the hotel, always adjusts the format, always goes, I don't know what they do. You gather them all together in one place, and this will save you time. You know someone who always used to tell us when we were young? What do you mean? Is there anyone at school who also played memory games? His name always used to tell us that organizing studying is more important than the studying itself. I mean, it's more important that I sit down, study, and ensure that my study space is organized with my books and things ready. Knowing what I need to study today. Do I know what tasks I need to complete today? The things that can be postponed until tomorrow. So this is very, very important, and God willing, those who start to organize things, you will thank me later. I mean, I am sure, God willing, that you will succeed. You'll pray for me and say, this whole year, you really saved me a lot of time. This was just a simple hint that we are paving the way for what we will start together from the next video, God willing. Hope you're ready. And anyone who needs to learn Excel, please start sharing the video with them. Okay, so today's video is done. The video was quick and easy. I hope the video was quick, easy, and simple for you. If you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to like and comment here. It helps the channel reach more people. And don't forget to share with anyone who needs to learn programs easily or learn data, like myself, simply or even in artificial intelligence or AI. Yes, see you in the next video. All the best. We'll go in a bit. Don't forget to send me a lovely prayer from your hearts. See you in the next video. All the best and take care.